Hey guys, back with another video. Just in line to get some Starbucks right now because it is Sunday afternoon, about 12:30, and I'm running out of gas. It's been a long week to say the least. A bunch of videos, a bunch of editing, my normal weekend duties. So yeah, I got some really good news, guys. Got some good content coming. So stay tuned. Really sick of my squeaking brakes, so I got approval from the boss, aka wifey, to fix that issue. She was actually the one that pressed the issue on. I think it's embarrassing driving a Hellcat, $70,000 Hellcat, and you come up to red lights and stop signs and the brakes are squeaking. So I placed an order for some brakes. I'm not gonna tell you what brand or what style or anything, but they should be some pretty good brakes and should get rid of our squeaking issue. So yeah, just want to give you guys a little heads up. So yeah.